this video I'm going to talk about LinkedIn company pages, why you might want them, how to set them up, how to then make them appear on your profile, how to invite others to like your company page, and all things to do with LinkedIn company pages. Hi, I am Zoe Thompson from Build It Brilliant. For those that haven't met me before, I work with therapists, coaches, health professionals, people in the helping professions to help them to build a brilliant business. And this channel is all about providing free videos, free education, because I just believe that you should be empowered to make informed and educated choices about what you're doing in your business. So if you haven't already, I looked at my stats the other day, and about 80% of those that watch my videos aren't subscribed. I would like to improve that. So if you do like my content, if you do want to have a look around the channel and then subscribe, then that would be great, and it would really help my channel to grow. Equally, if you like what I share in this video, then do feel free to hit the like button or comment below if you've got questions about LinkedIn company pages, or just tell me kind of, you know, who you are and where you're based. That would be great. So let's get into company pages. So when are company pages useful and why might you use them? Well, LinkedIn only allows you to set up one profile because you are one person, and LinkedIn is all about kind of showcasing you as a person. So for that reason, you can only have one LinkedIn account as you on LinkedIn, but you can have different company pages. So these are really good if you want to post something specific to your business. You can post it on your company page, or if you have multiple companies. So at the minute I run 2 different companies. It's quite nice that I can have a page for each of those companies, and then I can post and send information that's relevant to each company on each of those company pages, and then share it to my profile. So it's good if you have more than one sort of hustle or business, or whatever you want to call it. So let's get into how are you going to use these pages. How do you set one up? Like I said, if you've got one business, it's really great, because let me show you this. When I click on my profile, it comes up, and then I have the Build It Brilliant up here. So a couple of people have asked me kind of, how do you get it to be up here? Well, the answer is you have to set up a company page, and then you have to change your profile to say that that is your current position, then it will appear up here on your profile. So how do we create a company page? That's the first thing that you need to do. You go into For Business up here, and you scroll right down to the bottom to create a company page. Click that, and we're not educational institutions. You don't want a showcase page, you want a company. So we click on that, and then you can enter the information, the name and the website and the logo and those sorts of things, and give it a bit of a tagline so people know what it is, and then we verify, and then you create the page. Once you have done that, it will appear like mine do on here. So it will appear as a page on here. How then do you add it as a position on your profile? If you click on your profile, and then scroll down, the top bit here, edit, and then you can have current position, and you select it here, add a position, and then you can select that particular company from your positions, and then it will appear at the top up here. Quick note when I'm here on my profile about how do you then use your profile if you have more than one thing that you do. I have done another video about optimizing your social media platforms. I do talk about this bit just here, so I'll put a link to that video up above here so you can go take a look about that one. So you can certainly do it by putting the different things that you do in here. There's also different sections. So if you scroll down, you have an about. This is amazing. It's 2,600 characters that you've got. So please do use that space to tell people who you are and what you do. So I've got Meet Zoe, and I've got both elements of what I do within there. Who my clients are, who I work with, what I do, what are some of my offers, those sorts of things. So really do use that space to tell people who you are and what you do. There's then underneath we have the experience section, and in here again you have lots and lots of space in here to tell people then about those specific offers, those specific businesses that you are part of. And as you can see here, we've got to present here, and then we've also got here as a present one as well, but you can explain the differences between those two businesses or those services in there as well. Okay, so company pages, how do we post and how do you invite people to like your company page, those sorts of things. What you do is you click on your page here, and then it will give you an option to start a post. You can write an article, add some media to it, those sorts of things in there. And then here you have an option to invite your connections to like your particular page. What I would say with LinkedIn is it's really important that you have relevant connections, not just blanket connections. Because of the algorithms, you want to make sure that people are seeing and engaging with your particular business. So be careful when you invite connections. Invite the connections that are going to be relevant for that particular business page, rather than kind of blanket inviting everybody. Same with your profile. If you want people to connect with your profile, then again, just invite people that are relevant. How I do that when I run two businesses, because they are different audiences, is I have to kind of take that hit on LinkedIn that all of my connections are not going to be specific to one business. They're either one or the other, or relevant to one or the other. So I have to kind of take that hit on LinkedIn because I only have one profile. But using the business pages means that I can separate that out a little bit. So whether you have one company or more, it really doesn't matter. I think company pages are a way for you to communicate as that company and send out information that's relevant for that particular company under that company's page. You can also do other things like advertise that you've got a job availability, those sorts of things, via your company page, and then keep your profile to be more like your profile and things that are relevant to you. So I hope that's helped and helped you understand how to use them, how to set them up, what to do with them, how to post, how to invite people to them, and all of those sort of things. Like I said, if you've got information about company pages that I haven't covered, that you think that therapists and coaches and health professionals really should know, then do comment below and let people know that, so we can share that knowledge and all learn together. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, then please do. It's completely free to you, and it helps my videos to be seen by more people. So therefore, we can help with free videos for more therapists, coaches, and health professionals, and grow and help more people. I release a video one every week. So that's it for this week's video, and I will see you next week for the next video.